Welcome all to the black hole of exploring knowledge, the analysis hole. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for further notifications to my upcoming videos. So these are some of the important objective type questions from your chapter Black Skin, White Masks by Frantz Fanon. Question 1. On which Caribbean island was Frantz Fanon born? Answer is B. Martinique. What military decoration did Frantz receive for his active opposition to the Vichy regime during World War II? The answer is C. Croix de Guerre. Who was the prominent Martinician scholar, poet, and politician who taught Frantz Fanon in secondary school? The answer is B. M.A. Kaiser. In which North American African country did Fanon serve in psychiatric facility, providing care to both French scholars and Algerian victims of torture? The answer is C. Algeria. What is the title of Frantz Fanon's debut book authored during his psychiatric internship in Saint Albans-sur-Limagnol? The answer is B. Black Skin, White Masks. What was Fanon's preparation after completing his schooling in Lyon in 1961? So what was his profession? He was a psychiatrist. C. In which year did Frantz Fanon pass away from leukemia? In 1961. How many offerings did Fanon's father, including one from previous romantic involvement? 2. B. Answer. What concept does Fanon criticize in Octave Manoni's work, The Psychology of Colonization? A. Dependency complex. According to Fanon, what does Manoni lack in his understanding of psychological makeup of colonized individuals? Colonial experience. C. What does Fanon reject as an effective means of uncovering the truth in the context of colonialism? B. Objectivity. What did Fanon argue was a fundamental flaw in traditional psychoanalysis when applied to the effect of colonialism? Disregard for societal structures. According to Fanon, what did Manoni fail to provide a realistic depiction of the colonial situation? Psychological injury. C. In Fanon's view, what does racism ultimately construct? Social hierarchies. C. According to Fanon, what concept is fundamentally hierarchical and constructed through acts of racism? Race. C. What term does Fanon use to describe the idea that racial concepts are developed through the acts of racism? Racialism. A. In The Psychology of Colonization, what complex did Manoni describe that encompasses the colonizer's sense of paternalistic supremacy? It is Prospero complex. B. What does Fanon emphasize as the real source of suffering for colonized individuals? It is white individuals' perception and treatment. B. What historical event does Fanon, along with the Caesar, argue was an extension of colonial violence in the European sphere? It is Nazism. D. According to Fanon, who constructs the identity of the colonized individuals? It is the colonizers. B. In Manoni's dreams, the psychology of colonization, who pursues, haunts, or assaults the dreamer? It is the symbols of African descent. D. What term does Fanon use to describe the attempt of colonized individuals to assimilate into whiteness to demonstrate their humanity to white individuals? It is the assimilation complex. A. What complex does Manoni attribute to colonizers' unfounded apprehension about the violation of their daughters by lesser individuals? It is Prospero complex. B. According to Fanon, what does society offer black individuals facing psychological challenges as a choice? It is assimilation. B. What falsehood does Fanon identify in the colonial dynamic regarding the cultures of the colonized? It is B. Colonizers are experts or colonized cultures. Now here are some more questions about the chapter. In which year the book Black Skin White Masks was published? It is 1952. In which year the book Black Skin White Mask was translated in English? It is 1967. Name the teacher of Fanon from which whom he was much influenced. He was M.A. Cesar. How many chapters are there in the book Black Skin White Masks? 8 chapters. Whose writer's book was critically discussed by Fanon in his book Black Skin White Masks? Octave Manoni. So you can take the help of these questions for your upcoming external exams, and all the best to all of you.